Yo, hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm gonna explain it to you that how to jailbreak your iPhone. So this is my phone which I'm gonna jailbreak. I know it's completely screwed, but it doesn't matter. The display works. Okay, so it's iOS 12.4.4, and I can tell you guys that you can even jailbreak to any of other iPhones still 13.2 or 13.3. Yeah, I'm telling right, iOS 13.2 or 13.3. So let's get into this quickly. Let's go. So guys, I will upload this files into the description and just download it from them. Okay, so first things first, we need a Balena injector. What this is going to do, I'll explain it to you. Let's get it installed. I agree. Man, Balena, let's get you in. Okay, so she's installed. So after installation part, open it, and what you need to do is just get a USB pen drive or USB. It could be any up to 16 GB, it doesn't matter. So plug it into your laptop or PC. Okay, so it's booted. So we have to select an image, and you have to select the files which are in jailbreak files. I will in the description I will tell you. It would be everything there. So it matters on your processor, which processor is it. So mine is Intel, and I have also provided the AMD. So Intel 2.0. Okay, so we have to click OK, and I have even selected my pen drive, which is, and just click flash. It's gonna ask to you, and yes. Okay, so it's gonna flash. Come on, man. Wait, this will take some of your time because it's up to your processor, so I will be back when it's done. So boom guys, we have flashed it completely. Don't worry if it comes like this, just click on cancel and cancel. And what you guys need to do, you guys need to now, it will come like this. You guys will need to now shut down your laptop or PC, doesn't matter. So what we have done completely is that we have installed kind of a Mac OS in our pen drive, we could say. Okay, so let's get into this. So first things first, firstly, before the boot, insert your USB pen drive. Okay guys, firstly we have to boot from our pen drive. As per your company, laptop company, you can watch any other tutorials how to boot. So we are booted from the pen drive. I have to press F9 for its HP. So don't boot and directly install it. Now mark my words. Firstly we have to go to the options and we have to remove everything written over here. So we have to erase it till -V9. Yeah, and go to the GPU, graphics injector, and unmark everything. Mark my words, unmark everything, and return and boot Mac OS from ran into. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. Don't worry, everything is fine. You have not crashed into your laptop or anything else. It's just fine. So just prepare with your USB cable. We would need it. Mine is this. We would need it to jailbreak our phone. Okay guys, after those things it's gonna come like this. Don't worry, it's just this is checklaren. What did they have done that they have added one file into a Mac OS installation. So before we install a Mac OS, we have to just jailbreak our phone and just shut down your computer and get the pen drive out. We won't installing a Mac OS, so don't worry. Okay guys, it's gonna look like this. After that, don't worry, we won't installing a Mac OS. So click English, and this it's gonna do a small animation, circular animation. After this, click continue, and the upper panel will be enabled. This is what we want. Go to the terminal, first utilities and the terminal. Okay, we are in, and type RA1 and then NUSB. So this is what we have to type, ran USB. Click OK. You can even iCloud pass your iPhone if you have it. First we're gonna go to the checklaren, and don't click 2, click 1, and we are in. Okay, so before we start, we have to enter our iPhone. Where's my iPhone? Okay, so we have to connect our iPhone. Okay, so it's connected. It's saying iPhone 6 12.4 connected to normal mode. We're gonna go to the start button, and iPhone needs to put in a DFU mode. Yeah, go next. Entering it's gonna enter by itself to a recovery mode. Don't worry anything about it. You are not going to break your device. And now it's in the recovery mode. So we have to do all these steps. Okay, press and hold. Let's just get a bio. Press and hold the side and the home buttons together. Side means the power button, this one. Okay, and then release the side button. Keep holding the power home button. Okay, that's it. That's simple, guys. We could do this, guys. Let's start, guys. Okay, we're gonna do, then release the side button. Simple. Here we could see that we have successfully entered the DFU mode. So it's gonna boot like this, and guys, we have successfully jailbreaked our device. Don't worry anything about it. It's not gonna break your device. This looks so sick. Well, I need to get my display run. So we're gonna get our cydia installed. We're gonna get everything whatever we want, and boom, we have jailbreak. So here is our cydia. Okay, see, where's the checklaren? I'm marking about the checklaren. Okay, so this is a cydia. We could see. Well, I will need to enter the where's my Wi-Fi connection? Yeah, I forgot it about it. Yeah, we have to connect to our Wi-Fi, guys. Everyone knows that. Okay, it's connected. And check Laren. Click on it. If cydia is not installed, doesn't matter. Click on this, click on cydia, and I have to reinstall the cydia, but it's gonna show you to install cydia. Don't worry. And click on cydia. What the hell is wrong with you, man? Let's go to the cydia. Boom, we are in. My sources, all the sources are gonna load into your device and you guys are in. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. After this you can click done, and you can click the red button, and you can literally shut down your device. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Boom. Guys, as we could see, oops, I have hold it the wrong way. We could see that we have successfully jailbreak. The iPhone is reloading the data. Return to cydia. Here all your sources are, all the sources. You guys know what to do with after what the cydia installed. You guys know how to do everything, or if you guys don't know, you can go to any the YouTube tutorials how to install a tweak guide. Okay guys, after I get some nice tweak, and after I get my display work, I will tell you all the new features which I'm gonna install on this device. And so we have successfully jailbreaked our iPhone in 2020. It's working, baby. So good luck guys, have some nice things. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. As long DJAR. Peace out.